Hello everyone, and welcome to my motor vlogging channel. So this is my first ever attempt of doing such thing, of recording myself while I go to work. So to tell you something about me is, my name is Amit, and I own this bike Hunter 350 from last 1 year. January 1st, 2025 I bought this bike, and I have been riding since there in the city, and mostly for my office commutes. Really on weekends I take it for a ride outside, but that is very rare. And while I was riding in the city, so I felt the need of recording my journey to office and home to and fro. Pure reason, the amount of uncertainty on the roads, and the condition, the infrastructure, the amount of risk that is involved. This needs to be, I think, documented. So yeah, that is me. I really hope that these videos and this content appeals to you. So brother's aggressive posture is way too aggressive. I don't understand how well he can operate the gear and brake from the rear seat foot pegs. But yeah, already the rider's foot pegs are very much rare, and he wants to do it furthermore. Okay, his choice. I hope during the time of emergency he quickly can find the gear shifter on the Madam ka jana hai. Indicate is yeah. She wanted to go right. Oh, what's wrong with you, dude? See, there is no traffic, there is nothing on road that is obstructing, not even the signals, and you are creating chaos. Now starts the dreadful job of dodging this traffic. Sure. What are you doing, buddy? Can I? See, now this is the Manpur bridge, and can you see the dust which is collected? So this is all sand, and I call them the sand dunes of. Oh shit! The road was really bad there. Yeah. So these are the sand dunes of Manpur. So see, after every I think 10 meters there is one sand dune. So if you are planning to go Rajasthan or Dubai, cancel your trip, guys. Come to Manpur bridge, and you will be able to enjoy the sand dunes here itself in your own city. So to give you context of this, It was not there earlier. So I think 2 months back, it suddenly appeared from nowhere. There was a lot of greeny sands here, and what the authorities did was they started to collect it and pile them up, just like you saw earlier. And I thought it's a good practice that yes, they will now collect it, but I think they forgot. They forgot to collect this, and after some days, it got flattened again. It got spread all over the bridge again. So we are back to square one like this. And now, after a month from the early episode, they again created the hills or the dunes of the sand, and it's still like that now. They have not picked it up. So I don't know if they could have picked it up in the very first place when you collect it. Then it see now the height of the dune. For example, you just suppose there is a truck or the big vehicle here or a car, and you are a rider and you are bound to take a left cut, and you will definitely dash onto one of the dunes and you will follow. And even this sand, it is very grainy. It is not good. So my ask is, if you are spending money, if you are spending time, energy of collecting them and creating the hills, so you might as well collect it. You can just simply take it and dispose it off. Why to keep it there? Creating problem for the public. I don't know. And they have not done it once, they have done it twice. So once when they collected, when they created the hills, it got spread over again all over the bridge length, and now again they have started to pile it up again, and again they are not ready to pick it up. Please guys, do something. Fog, rider, no helmet, pulsar, and I don't know, riding like maniac. The whole point of wearing a helmet is to protect. See, he had some plans of jumping signal and he is stuck now in the traffic. I don't know why you will do that. You just save 26 seconds of your life while risking one. I don't know. It's okay. Yes, I was talking about the helmet straps. So yes, in the case of emergency, when you fall off the bike, the first thing which is going to leave you is your unstrapped helmet. Wait, please. And the whole point of carrying this weight on your head. Welcome to the chaotic fields, the chaotic roads of Sakinaka. Yes, don't at all indicate. Let me keep on guessing. You see, there is such a traffic jam, and this guy just decides to come on the wrong side. Oh, what a trash! What a trash! And how much? I think there is some work ongoing with this. I hope it is for clearing things. I really hope. So in this part of world, we just park our vehicles, goods carrier, anywhere in the road, anywhere, and we just expect traffic to cooperate, and which generally is the thing. Traffic does cooperate. So it's all allowed here. You see, this is a good stretch of road. It's a wide road, and you will notice all the heavy vehicles parked perpendicular to the road. There are their docking stations, so you will see you'll find trucks parked interestingly, and nobody seemed to bother. See, line से लगाते हैं पूरा, and the small trucks. Oh, भाई फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन का याद आ गया. You see, भाई ने राइट इंडिकेटर देके गाड़ी रोक दी है. Now you keep on guessing, and I can see trash everywhere. And it is suspended in the air. I don't know what have we done to deserve all this. Maybe, yeah, littering everywhere. That is what we have done collectively as a society, and we are getting punished. Oh, idiot. Idiots. कैसा टाइम पे कैसा मुड़ सकता है यार लेफ्ट में. Honk as well. Without helmets, coming from the wrong side. Without helmet, coming from the wrong side. Yeah, you too. Welcome. And here we go. Mountain of trash. See this beautiful scene of trash everywhere. This is mountain of trash, and the river. And surprisingly, the trash bins are empty. Guys, you should think out of the box and not put trash out of the box. Trash bins. Oh my God. When will we learn, guys? When will we learn? I think there is some government rule which is been implemented. I think, yes, I heard some news of that they will be clearing off all the trash. I think that suppose the JCBs, the equipments being deployed. I also could see some equipment there. Yeah, I think it is that. I had that was really close. Love this road. I'm really curious what joy that guy is experiencing by putting one foot suspended in air and not putting a helmet on and speeding like a maniac. I can understand MotoGP riders putting their knees down to corner, but what's up with the leg? Does he have a problem with his knee? Can he not bend the knee? Or he's just an asshole? I guess we will never be able to find out. What fun, man, what fun. I'm just curious. See? No hand, earphones on. And where you want to go? No mirrors as well. And he is having his floaters on, which I think it is nicely why even do that, man? I am out of this. I suppose I should end the vlog now. So this was my day. I really hope that I have recorded some good things, some with good audio quality, and I hope you guys like, and I really hope that I get good editing. Chalo, see you guys next time.